All right, well, g'day. This is Tim from Think Digital. We're just about to go into the tractor workshop experience. This exists within FarmVR World. Okay, as we teleport in, the environment is obviously a 360 virtual environment, and we come up to the tractor here and we have a series of steps. The first thing we need to do is we need to read the instructions, which says start up the engine. So I can now start up the engine, and the engine is running. I can actually hear that engine running and see it. Shut off the engine. Okay, so now I perform a series of checks. The first one is I have to check the tractor's oil. Use the dipstick to check the oil. 2, check the tractor's coolant fluid level. 3, and I'm just now inspecting it using the dipstick. Check the fan and inspect the radiator core and grill. Check the radiator, inspect, done. Top off the tractor's fuel tank and pour. Check the tyre pressure. Good. Next one. Oops. Good. Move around to the other tyre. And then the next one. Oops. Always do that. Okay, so we've checked all the tyre pressure. Let's go and have a little look at the next step, which is to check the air filter. This side. And put in the new one. Yay! And that's the tractor maintenance in FarmVR World. Hope you like it.